Hello, good day to you all. This is Efren Alfredo, a UFund member of the UFund Group of Bangkok, Thailand. We will now talk right now with regards to Utoken. First, we would like to introduce to you what is really a Utoken. Utoken it is a digital token used globally tapping on the advantage of the internet. There are several methods you can use Utoken by trading globally at utoken.kms.com. I will show you this one later. The transfer directly from person to person, or another is medium of barter of exchange. Number four, investment growth opportunity, and the presenting as a gift and charity as a donation purpose. Trustworthiness. It is issued by Utoken Reserve Limited. It is controlled by international board members consisting of bankers and managers with commitment to grow its reserve ratio, which is structured management of proven management. With every token Utoken issued out in the market, 22% of the value would be reserved as liquidity to firm reserve and formed compliance to the Basel guidelines. Utoken is depository in a fiduciary bank who manages Utoken Trust account, where it is fully insured by Grade A insurance company. Basically, the fiduciary banks maintains deposits on behalf of Utoken Reserve, thus creating safe record keeping which would allow safe credit rating. What is, by the way, what is Basel guidelines? Basel guidelines, if we come to the U1 Utoken review, the Basel guidelines is a comprehensive international regulatory framework for banks. The organization is located in Basel, Switzerland. So, coming back to our topic, we have a pledge. Utoken is pledged by recognized banks. The UDBP Bank, the website is here, it's http www.udpbank.com. BDG Bank website is http www.bdg-guinea.com, and NICO Financial. It is here. What is Basel Guidelines? It is a comprehensive set of international regulatory framework for banks. Quoted from www.bis.organization, U1 Reserve Limited is working toward being a recognized international digital currency that pledges its real values by collateral gold to World Bank and will be one of the world's most trusted digital currency in the world. By having a strong commitment to grow the company to be a public listed company, U1 has set itself by growing its international brand of digital currency over time and to share the wealth and growth toward all Utokens holders. Growing globally. Expanding extensively into the global platform, Utokens has developed its infrastructure to enable instant payment to anyone, anywhere in the world, reaching not out easily in the near future. It is now bounded by any restrictions or countries where the people resided, as it is internationally recognized by any countries that have internet access. This easily explains the greatest potential to people who are keen to exploit on this opportunity to grow and expand their wealth in due time to come. Why must you buy Utokens? Due to its impending appreciation factor in the global trading market, it appreciates with trading, exchanging, foreign exchange growth exponentially. Utoken values. Its value depends strongly on the market flow with limited supply of the Utoken. Hence, profit can be made with demand superseding supply in the global market. I will show you now on how I was actually I am just a two-star member of the U token or U bonus in the U Fund group. I My username is the Nerfy Impress 3 and I have an investment point of 20 and I have a total U token of 4,918, the value of my two-star. So how I was able to get this 4,918 U tokens. I will show you it here. I have total U tokens of 4,918 and a U token reserve value is 875.40. U token value is 875.40. This is value in dollars. So during my time, I am now 5 days old member of this Yupan. I bought my package as two stars in the rank or two-star level. So the price when I buy was still in this price per unit, which is 17.8 cents. 17.8 cents the buying price. So how we can get the 4,918 new tokens? I In my balance I have my U token value of 875.40 exchange to this total numbers of U token. So how can we compute that? I have here my calculator. uh, I have 8,875.40. We will divide it by the price of the U token. When I buy that, it is 178, which actually is still the same price as of March 9. This is what March 9. See, 1.178. So 1.78. So this is the total of my 4917.97, or equivalent to, if we round it up to closest whole number, it will be 14918 because it is 4917.97. So it's still the same with my price as of May 9, 2015. Here, May 9, 2015, the value is the price is still 0.178. Still maybe 178 from the time I bought it, from May 5, I think. I was May 5 or May 6, something like that. I was enrolled to UPON during May 6, this area here. So we will come now, how can we get, or how can we benefit this U fund through U token? In the U token, we are making trade. We are trading. We can trade it here by buying number of units and the price for the current price and the total buying price, and then you have to buy. Then you will get it. You how much you took in your summary. We will check. We will see how you token prices uh, appears during this 1 year period. As you can see here, it was the Utoken price before when this was started. It was 0.32. 0.32 was the price, and then it comes out to be 1.093, and then it goes down to 0.1040 during October 27, 2014. What we call this drop is what we call the split. What is the split is all about? I have here a presentation with regards to split. Mm, we will be looking for the split. Why why are split? See, what is a split? A split occurs when the value of a U token gets too high in order to sustain the currency. The largest split to date happened in October 2014, which I saw you the last time, when the value of a single U token rose to $1.093. The split at the time was of 10 to bring the value back down to a more affordable 0.104. So this split is being used, or the split is take effect when the value of the U tokens already uh, high, or one or more, so that it will be dropped into the lowest price by not affecting the previous U token holders. It can be said through this one. Why are split as good thing? For two reasons. On a personal level, you automatically get the equivalent multiple of U tokens depending on what the split was. For instance, if you had 1,000 U tokens in your account in October 2014, you would have received 10 times more U tokens after the split, meaning the following morning you would have 10,000 U tokens sitting in your account. So you would not have made any gains or loss in terms of immediate value, but you now have 10 times more U tokens, which is fantastic in the long term. That's because each time there is a new tick adjustment, you will now benefit from 10 times as much as you would have before the split. See below table for an example. So this is it. Take increased example before split based on 1,000 U tokens and a tick size of 0.002 cents. Total U tokens 1,000. U token increased per tick 0.002 cents. Total increase per price rise 1,000 U tokens. Then you have dollars, $2. Average monthly increase is 6. So total increase per month 6 times 2 equals to 12. So tick increase examples after split based on 1,000 U tokens with a split value of 10 and a tick size of 0.02. So total to U tokens 10,000. Your original U tokens amount multiplied by 10 times because of this split. So U token increase per tick 0.002 cents. Total increase per rise is 10,000 U tokens times 0.002 cents, $20. Average monthly increase times 6. Total increase per month 6 times 20 equals $120. So total increase before split $12, and then increase after split $120. So if you have, like for example, let us come now to my, since I have sample, I have 4,918, and this is the value is reserve value is 875.40. So this is dollars. The value of my new token now is 4,918. equivalent to 875.40. So upon coming up with the split, let's say for example at the end of December of 2015, I have my 4,918 total U tokens, and there was a split. There come to have a split on December 2015. My 4,918 U tokens, and the value of U tokens in that uh, particular date where the split occur, example in year in December to December, let's say December 15, 2015, it has a value of $1. It has a value of $1. So multiply by $1, it will be $4,918. So I have $4,918 in my account. This is now the value, to the U token value. It will not be 875 because 875 you will the 4,918 will be multiplied by $1 each. So your my U token will be my U token value will be 4,918 value. If we will less the minus this U token value today, which is 875.40 equal minus, wait, $4,918 minus 875.40, my gain was $4,042.60. If there is a split during uh, during December 2015. So I have my 40, this is my gain. So if ever I have my 4,918 U tokens or value of U tokens, you just multiply that by 30%. This 1475.4, you can buy that for a new token price after split during the morning. Let's say for example you will buy, you will use this 1475.4, and then the price of the new split of U token is 0.10. You will get, wait, 4,000 1,700, 4,918 U tokens or dollars times 30% is equals to 1475.14. 1.14. So 1475.40 divide by point 10, you can have your U token 14,754. So you have 14,754 U tokens during December 16 as the start of your investment. Okay, so this is it. And then again, once this 14,754, there comes on December 15 of 2016, again there is a split of $1 per U token. Then you can have this, your U token will become 14,754 US dollars. And then multiply this by 30%, this amount will be your uh, value of money you can buy for a new number of U tokens at its starting price for let's say 2016 December 16. So that is it. You have, you will gain 10 times more once there is a split. So let's now come with the continuation with this split. So on a more general level, maintaining the sustainability of the U token, it is important for everyone. If the value of a single U token gets too high, there will be less demand, and this could be in turn stifle the continued increase of the value of the U token. This split also puts more new tokens for sale in the market, thus enabling more members to join new fund, buy more U tokens, and by default increase the value of a single U token over time. Why does the increase in value of a single U token slow down after each split? After a split, more U tokens are put on the market. You can think of this as a temporary flooding of the market. Since the supply immediately after the split is large, then the price value increase slows down until the supply starts dwindling again. However, even though there is a temporary flooding on the market of the U token, unlike other currencies, the value of a single U token cannot diminish as there are checks and measures in place which do not allow investors to sell their U tokens at below market value. It is almost impossible for the value of the single U token to decrease in literal terms. So let's now come up what is a U token, is a cryptocurrency or it is not. One of the more interesting labels we have seen flying around the internet is people calling it in the next upcoming cryptocurrency. We can only hope that the authors of the several places in this is claimed are saying so because of a lack of understanding of Utoken. Calling a concept like Utoken a cryptocurrency is misleading and actually a disservice to the currency itself. Utoken is by no means a cryptocurrency, and comparing to them is like comparing oranges and apples. There is an interesting article in the Utoken forums which actually describes why Utoken is not a cryptocurrency and explain what it actually is. So I hope that my presentation with regards to Utoken is very clear to you, and you can now contact to any member of the UFund group, or by simply asking from my by sending email to my email address 2268@nervepeoplegoderplanakita.com, or by just calling at 966-548-381-968, or by just coming into the www.nerfypagodaraplanakita.com and Nerfy Impress 3 web page in the Facebook account. I hope you enjoy and was able to understand what is meant by Utoken by UFan group. Thank you and have a good night and a nice night to you all.